Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. Please subscribe to our channel. I got a call recently about someone asking or complaining really that their ex is dragging out the proceedings. Can they avoid that? Can they do something to stop that or prevent that? The answer is yes, they can. However, you have to be able to demonstrate that they are in fact dragging out the proceedings for the purpose of vexation, harassment, these kind of things. For the purpose of something that's unwholesome to the divorce. If they're doing it for an ulterior motive that has nothing to do with fully developing the case, the court can sanction them, the court can refuse to take any more motions from them, the court can do all sorts of things. The court can impose sanctions upon them if the court feels that a particular motion was frivolous, all sorts of things the court can do. You got to understand one thing though. There's a big difference between a case that's taking a long time and a case that's being deliberately dragged out. You may, for example, think, the case is being dragged out because they want to take my deposition and they want to send me interrogatories and request to admit, request to produce, and all this discovery, and he knows damn well I have nothing. Well, you have to understand, that could be a function of dragging out a case, or it could be the function of an attorney who's being very diligent and making sure that all the assets are disclosed before the court. If the court gets the sense that it could be one way or another, the court's not going to necessarily regard it as some sort of vexatious elongation of proceedings. The court's not going to do that. The court will allow the parties to do what's necessary to be done. And if you file a motion saying they're dragging it out and the attorney comes in and says, you know what, Judge, I don't know what the assets are. I've got to take appropriate discovery. And if I send her interrogatories and she answers them, well, I don't know if she's being honest or not. So I use it as a base, but I've decided I want to take her deposition. Court rules allow it. Why can't I do it? And you know what? The court's probably going to permit it. So the answer is the court won't allow you to drag out proceedings, but whether or not the court defines that term drag out as you do, that remains to be seen. If you have any other questions, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.